Hello class, this is Mom Says, signing on. This video lecture will talk about how to create rectangle using Applet in Netbeans. Let's begin. Let's now create the rectangle using Applet in Netbeans. So again, we start with by clicking the file menu, then choose new project. Click Java in the categories, and then in the projects click Java application, then click next button. Let's name our project last name. Do not forget again to type your last name and then rectangle. Make sure that the create main class checkbox is checked and then click the finish button. Then wait for the Netbeans to create the new project. Disregard the first template that was created. Let's now create the template for our applet. So first you have to right click the package that you created earlier, then click new, then choose applet, then we'll name it rectangle for the class. So our class name is rectangle, which is inside the package, last name rectangle. Let's choose the package here, last name rectangle, and then click the finish button. So we will remove the comments that are not needed in our program. Let's just leave a single comment for your signature. Do not forget to type your signature in the source code, just like what we are doing. In all our source code, we always insert our signature. And then remove other comments to make a clean source code. Now we can write our code for our rectangle applet. So we will first add the package that is needed to insert graphics. Again, the AWT package is for us to be able to call our graphics class, which inside the graphics class are the methods that is needed to create the rectangle. So we have the draw rect method, fill rect, draw round rectangle, and fill round rectangle for our methods needed to create the rectangle. The numbers that you see in here are the measurement of the rectangles and the position of our rectangles in the dialog box. So the first three here is for the width and the last one is for the height. And in here, the fourth one and the sixth one is for the height. All the rest is for the width. Be reminded also that at first, when you create the template, we already imported the applet, so we could use the class applet. We extend it using the extends keywords so that this whole program would be a small application or the so-called applet. Now, let's run our program by right-clicking on the source code and then choose Run File. This is now the output of our applet, the rectangle applet. So this is for the first shape here for our first rectangle, and the next shape is for our source code here in line 12, and the third shape is the result of our source code here in line 13, and then the last shape is the result of our source code here in line 14. So keep on practicing, do some trial and error, try changing the values, the numbers here, and see the effect in the dialog box. Remember to enjoy what you are doing. Do not practice your programming skills if you are not in a good mood. Otherwise, you are just stressing yourself. And that ends our discussion. Hope this quotes inspires you as you develop your programming skills in Applet. And so that's it. Watch out for more video lectures. Stay safe and God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. This is Mom Says, signing off.